Welcome friends, I'm Mary and welcome to Rocky Mountain Gardens. Today we're going to be doing a quick craft that is so easy you could do it too for my winter home series called Cold Days and Warm Hearts. So come on and join me. I found a pair of child-size ice skates, figure skates, for my winter decor. I have been hunting for a pair for a while, and of course I didn't want to pay much, so I got these very inexpensively on Facebook Marketplace, which is a great way to shop if you like doing trash to treasures. So that's what we're going to be working on today. We're going to just get these all sparkled up, ready for my home tour, which you will see next week. I'll be putting it up. I can't wait to share it with you. Alrighty, let's get started on our project. Here we are at my craft table, and I have some items that I'm going to be looking at as possibilities for adding to my skates to make them sparkling like the snow. I do have these rhinestone sets that I may use a bit of that on the skates. Not sure exactly which one until I get started. I have some jewels right here, kind of hard to see, they're all flipped over, but these are from my scrapbooking stash, and those are a possibility to use on my skates. Then I have this cute little pom-pom trim that I'm thinking about adding. And I have some silver ribbon that I'm going to go ahead and make a smaller loopy bow, because I'm going to hang this up by my staircase downstairs in my living room area. So I'm going to add this for more of that silvery winter color. So let's get started. Here you can see I am using my hot glue gun and attaching this pink pom-pom trim to the top of each skate, and I'm just putting a bead of hot glue on and then doing each side of the skate. Very simple. Next we will be taking the rhinestone designs that I showed you, pulling them off the plastic. And these are all self-adhesive, so all I need to do is place it on the skate and press it down. And then I'm now trying to find a design that will work on the second skate, and it's a little bit too large, so I'm trimming off some that I will save for another project. And then again, attaching it onto the side of the skate. And that really adds some beautiful bling. And then I have these small little faux diamonds and other jewels that I'm adding just to put a little bit more on, because, you know, we can never have too much bling, right? Especially for winter sparkles. Okay, then the last thing I'm going to be doing is making my loopy bow. And I didn't have a lot left on this roll of ribbon, so I had to make my loops about 5.5 inches on each side. And as you can see here, I scrunched the loops together. I have 3 loops per side. It's a 6-loop bow, and I'm fluffing it out there, as you can see. And now I'm trimming it to give a dovetailed look to the ribbon. And here I am making some tails, and I'm just using that same pipe cleaner that you saw me use earlier to attach it to the bow. And again, I'm dovetailing the ends. My skates are now hanging on my staircase on the banister. They're attached up at the top, and then I tied this silver bow that you saw me made onto them to sort of hide, you know, how I attach them to the banister. And you can see, we'll give it like a little bit of a close-up. There you are. And let me see if I can fix this. I don't like how that looks right there. That blade is caught on one of the skates. There we go. Much better. Aren't they darling? Now, ice skates certainly say winter, don't they? How many of you out there have ice skated before? I know I did when I was a little girl. I spent a lot of time skating in the field that had sort of a marshy area, and we all had our skates and would run over there and skate after school and on the weekends. But as an adult, I haven't been doing a lot of skating. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this craft. I'm back again just to say goodbye until my next video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I wanted to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying all of these videos, Cold Days and Warm Hearts, the winter series. I'll have a link down below right there in my description box for you. And I'll be adding videos to it as we go through, especially January and February. And anyway, I hope to see you again. Hope you're having a lovely winter and that you're not getting too chilly.